Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you an easiest way to play YouTube music in the background of your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone. We will use the browser instead of the YouTube app because background play doesn't work on the free app. In Safari, search for www.youtube.com for the song, playlist or music video you want to play. Next, tap the A icon in the top left corner of Safari and select Request Desktop Site. This allows YouTube to play videos in the background. Find the music video and tap play. Make sure it starts playing in the browser. Now swipe up or press the home button to go to the home screen. You will notice the music may stop for a moment. Don't worry, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. You will see the music controls. Tap the play button and the music will continue playing in the background. Now you can use other apps, browse or even lock your iPhone while your YouTube music playing, and that's it. Using Safari and the control center, you can listen to YouTube music in the background without needing YouTube Premium. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.